राज भवनात आशिल्ल्या 100 वर्सां पोरण्या झाडांची दुयेसां खातीर तपासणी करून तांचेर उपचार करपाक वृक्ष आयुर्वेद चिकित्सा हो उपक्रम मंगळारा हातान घेतले। गोंयांत झाडाची कुयदाद घेवपाची ही पद्धत पयलेच फावट राज भवनात चालीक लागता, अशी माहिती राज्यपालांचे सचिव M.R. राव हांणी दिली। ह्या उपक्रमाक लागून गोंयकारांक खास करून तरणाट्यांक सैमीक दायज आनी परंपरा तिगोवन दवरपाक उर्बा मेळटली, अशी आस्त राव हांणी उक्तायल्या।
In fact, as we are all aware and we all know, like human beings, for example, how somebody lives, that it is through either nutrition or there is some disease, the treatment, and maybe divine blessings also. Similarly, it is believed that trees also have similar kind of thing, that proper nutrition, if it is given, and if there is any disease that is to be treated in a particular way, and then blessings, seeking the blessings of the divine. These three things help the plant live very, very long, rather than life cycle, even beyond the expected life cycle. Also some of the trees are given. In this Vriksha Ayurveda, which is called Poshana Vidhi or Ayurvedic Chikitsa. Chikitsa is for treatment of some disease or ailment. This is being practiced in fact in Kerala. The examples are there in Palakkad area, that mango and jackfruit trees have been treated in a similar fashion. For the first time in Goa and in Raj Bhavan, the Honorable Governor wanted this to be demonstrated here itself. So we have selected in fact 7 plants which are 100 years or older. So they will be treated with the Poshana Vidhi, and if there is any ailment or disease notice, that treatment will also be given. This will be done by the experts or conservationists and specialists who are coming from Kerala, Dr. V.M. Warrior, Dr. Devidas Warrior, Dr. Ajayan, and assisted by their colleagues. In fact, they will be doing this treatment. This would be decided over by Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sarwant, and attended by several dignitaries, which I have mentioned some of them.